What up, YouTube? My name is Vic, and I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If this is your first time on the channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that, I invite you to stick around, watch the video. If you make it to the end, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. And folks, today, another unboxing video. Been a little bit since I've done one of these. Cool watch with some heritage behind it. When I saw it, I knew right away I wanted to have this because I'm a kind of a history buff. So without further delay, let's get into this unboxing. All right, folks, so what we have here is a Wolbrook Skindiver. I have my blade out. It doesn't look like I'm going to need my blade. Pretty simple packaging. This came to me all the way from France under a week, actually. Tuesday. I bought this last Tuesday. So yeah, just under a week, 6 days. It is now Monday, the day I'm recording this video. I guess this was supposed to be easy for me to open, but it hasn't. Damn. There we go, after I butchered it. Here we go. Nice box. Pretty nice box. But we ain't buying boxes, we're buying watches. Okay, so it's got a nice little, I guess, a QR sticker here. Let's open this up, see what we're working with. I'm guessing that's my serial number. Oh, that's cool. Nice little promotion and stuff there from Wolbrook. I'm probably gonna hold on to that. If you didn't know, what's this in here? Neil Armstrong wore. Okay, these are quick release spring bars, so that I will keep. Yeah, so Neil Armstrong wore a Wolbrook when he was a test pilot for NASA. Now his was the Wolbrook Douglas. This feels heavy. Why do they do this? There we go. Oh, this is nice. It's not as big as it looks. Okay, let's see. One direction. Okay, unidirectional bezel. A little hard to grip, actually. Now, this is not the Douglas. This is just the Wolbrook Skindiver GMT. It honestly, the difference is very minute. Well, if you're going towards what his looked like in this one. His just said Douglas on the dial. His was actually was automatic. This is the Mecha Quartz version, and I bought it in black PVD. They do sell the X15 special edition, which commemorates the one that he wore. Has a nice X15 jet on the back plate, which I doubt. Yeah, this is just a plain simple back plate. That didn't matter to me, and this is a Mecha Quartz version. So the X15 special edition, that is about a $600 something watch, you know, once you factor in taxes and shipping and all that good stuff. This is half the price. This Mecha Quartz version only cost me $264. Now I did have to pay an import fee, so they brought up the price by almost $100. But still a significant saving over the X15 automatic version. And for me, you know, just to have a nice back plate, automatic movement. I stated this in a different video. I have so many watches that at the end of the day, sometimes I just want to grab something and put it on. Mecha Quartz, you know, no complaints. You see, it's got a nice smooth sweep there. I got to set this guy up and put it on. I'm not going to give you guys one wrist look on this video. This is just going to be an unboxing and first impression. I like that it came in a watch roll. I guess you wouldn't really call this a watch roll, but this is cool. I'll hold on to this. I probably won't keep the watch in there, but I'll hold on to it. But yeah, this is it. The Wolbrook Skindiver. This is a world timing bezel, and I'll get into how you use this stuff when I do my full review, because this guy will get a full review. But so far, you know, first looks, first impressions. I like this. This is a single pass NATO, by the way. Oh, and okay, so it does come with quick release bars. That's cool. Yeah, I'm happy I bought this. So, guys, that's going to conclude this one. Just a quick unboxing. Full review on this guy will follow. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Peace. Hey YouTube, it's Vic, the Brooklyn Watch Guy. Got any questions or suggestions for content? Well, scan this QR code, send me an email. Maybe you see your idea come up, or I'll answer your question on a video. Thank you for watching.